Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to our channel. What if I told you that wearing the right color could instantly make your outfit look more expensive, elegant, and stylish without spending a single extra pound? In 2026, fashion isn't just about what you wear, it's about the colors you choose. Some shades are dominating runways, social media, and celebrity wardrobes because they have the power to make any look feel effortlessly chic and luxurious. From rich, confidence-boosting tones to soft shades that scream quiet luxury, today's trending colors are completely transforming the fashion world. So before you buy your next outfit, make sure you know these 8 must-have color trends of 2026. Trust me, you'll be seeing them everywhere. Let's get started. One, Cherry Red. Cherry red is a bold yet elegant shade taking over 2026 fashion. It instantly adds confidence, power, and luxury to any outfit without feeling too loud or overwhelming. This color is perfect for statement pieces like dresses, blazers, heels, and handbags, making even the simplest look feel expensive and stylish. It works beautifully in both casual and formal wear, giving a strong, fashionable presence. Cherry red also pairs effortlessly with neutral tones such as black, white, beige, and gray, creating a balanced and polished aesthetic that always stands out in modern fashion trends, in modern luxury fashion styling trends that dominate global runways and streetwear culture. Two, Butter Yellow. Butter yellow is soft, warm, and effortlessly stylish, becoming one of the most loved tones of 2026. It brings a gentle luxury feel that feels fresh, feminine, and elegant in every season. This shade brightens any outfit without being overpowering, making it perfect for dresses, suits, knitwear, and everyday wear. It creates a calm yet uplifting fashion vibe that works for both casual and chic looks. Butter yellow also complements many skin tones and pairs beautifully with neutrals, creams, and soft pastel colors, giving a clean and sophisticated appearance overall in modern luxury fashion styling trends that dominate global runways and streetwear culture. 3. Chocolate Brown. Chocolate brown continues to dominate fashion in 2026 as a true symbol of quiet luxury and timeless elegance. It feels rich, warm, and far more refined than harsh, dark shades like pure black. This color instantly upgrades any outfit, making it look more expensive, classy, and well put together without extra effort. It is widely used in coats, leather jackets, trousers, and accessories. Chocolate brown pairs perfectly with cream, beige, gold jewelry, and soft neutral tones, creating a sophisticated and balanced style that never goes out of fashion in modern luxury fashion styling trends that dominate global runways and streetwear culture. 4. Cloud Dancer. Cloud Dancer is a soft, off-white shade representing minimal luxury and modern elegance in 2026 fashion trends. It feels cleaner and more refined than bright white, giving outfits a smooth, airy, and timeless appearance. This color is ideal for creating effortless monochrome looks that feel expensive and polished without trying too hard. It works beautifully in structured suits, dresses, and casual outfits alike. Cloud Dancer also blends well with almost every color palette, especially neutrals and earthy tones, making it one of the most versatile and sophisticated fashion choices today in modern luxury fashion styling trends that dominate global runways and streetwear culture. 5. Cobalt Blue. Cobalt blue is one of the boldest and most eye-catching fashion colors of 2026. This vibrant shade instantly adds confidence, energy, and sophistication to any outfit while still maintaining a refined and elegant appearance. It is perfect for statement pieces such as blazers, dresses, and evening wear, helping you stand out without looking overly flashy. Fashion experts love cobalt blue because it feels modern, yet timeless. It pairs beautifully with white, black, gray, and metallic accessories, creating a polished look that is both stylish and effortlessly chic. Six, Alexandrite teal. Alexandrite teal is a stunning blend of blue and green that is becoming one of the most luxurious color trends of 2026. This unique shade feels modern, elegant, and slightly mysterious, making it ideal for those who want something different from traditional fashion colors. It adds depth, richness, and individuality to any outfit while maintaining a classy appearance. Whether worn in dresses, tops, outerwear, or accessories, Alexandrite teal creates a sophisticated look. It pairs especially well with black, cream, and gold accents for a refined finish. 7. Sage green. Sage green continues to be one of the most elegant and versatile fashion colors in 2026. Inspired by nature, this soft, muted shade creates a calm, fresh, and sophisticated aesthetic that works beautifully in every season. It offers a modern alternative to traditional neutrals while remaining timeless and easy to style. Fashion lovers appreciate sage green for its understated beauty and effortless charm. It pairs perfectly with beige, cream, white, and warm earth tones, creating balanced outfits that look polished, refined, and naturally stylish. Eight, powder blue. Powder blue remains one of the most refined and versatile fashion shades for 2026, offering a soft pastel tone that delivers effortless sophistication with a fresh modern edge. It works beautifully in flowing dresses, structured tailoring, lightweight knitwear, and everyday essentials, making it ideal for both casual and polished looks in modern wardrobes. Fashion experts recommend pairing it with white, beige, soft gray, navy, or chocolate brown to enhance its understated charm, creating balanced, chic, and timeless seasonal outfits across seasons. And those are the top color trends defining fashion in 2026. From bold cherry red to elegant powder blue, these shades prove that the right color can instantly elevate your style. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.